there is a really interesting profession that we all respect and to some degree admire: doctors. There has always been something really interesting that I have come to realize and experience over the years about them. It's their process of helping their patients. Let me put it in another way. Have you ever experienced something like this with your doctor? You are feeling unwell and decide to see your doctor. The moment you enter the room, your doctor greets you, takes a look at you, and then says, "I know what you have. I do believe your sugar levels are too low. Let me prescribe you some medication that you need to take 3 times a day over a 10-day period. Thank you very much for your visit. Please stop by the front desk to pay for the consultation." Probably never. And if you had, I would recommend you change your doctor. So why are we doing that in our sales activities? Why are we assuming that we know our clients' problems and simply prescribing them with a solution and asking them to pay for it? Your clients are unlikely to buy from you. In the same way, you won't trust your doctor anymore if that happens to you. Let's take a look at the real process that doctors follow with their patients. Once you enter the room, your doctor will probably start by asking you what the problem is or the reason for your visit. Then, when you will start describing your symptoms, he or she will ask you additional questions. For the whole discussion, your doctor will be listening and will probably be taking notes. Then, when you have given all the information you have, down to the smallest detail, your doctor might proceed with further examination, such as taking your pulse, taking your vitals, a blood sample, or an X-ray, depending on your symptoms. When your doctor gathers all the additional information through further analysis, you may start getting an explanation on your condition and some solutions to make you feel better. Only then, he or she will prescribe you with a solution. And the very interesting thing during this process is that you have been fully open to answer all the questions and to go through all this additional analysis. You have not refused, objected, or negotiated with your doctor during the whole process. Let me use an example to make my point here. Have you ever been in a situation like this? After all the analysis, your doctor has come to a conclusion that you need a minor surgery to avoid any bigger issues in the future. He or she will also add that the surgery will be followed by 2 days of observation in the hospital just to avoid any complications. Also, your doctor informs you that the whole operation will cost around $2,000. And then what you say is, $2,000? Oh, come on, doc, that's too expensive. The doctor next door can do that for half the price. And no need for 2 days of observation. 3 hours will just be enough. Once again, probably never. And if that ever happened to you, I will recommend you to look what a doctor is. That is another really interesting thing about the doctor's approach. Because we trust them and because we know that they might have a solution to our problem, we will usually just follow what they recommend. This is a powerful approach that we will start using with all our clients. From now on, I would like you to follow this simple process. We need to become their business doctor who diagnoses the problems and prescribes a solution. And because you are all doctors now, I will advise you to follow the doctor's approach next time you are consulting with your clients.